Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sanjay Reddy. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about operators. So previously videos I have explained about the basics of Python and as well as how to implement the variables, how to create the variables, everything. And the data types also basics of things also I have discussed like related to the integer, float, complex and boolean. These are the things we have discussed. So today's topic is all about Python operators. So why we use operators in Python? Because everyone has small doubts because this is the main thing. Python operators are used to perform the operations on a variables or a values, any type of variables or a values. So basically, Python operators has divided into 7 types like arithmetic operator, assignment operators, comparison, logical, identity, membership, and bitwise operators are works in the things. So first operator we are going to discuss about Python arithmetic operators. So simply it is a arithmetic operators from the schooling level, from the schooling levels, and we have listening about this Python arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Like there only some of the additional things is handed to the things. So for example, I am creating a equals to 6, b equals to 8. So in A I store the 6 and B I stored in 8. Okay, now I am performing the arithmetic operations. Okay, so first arithmetic operation is addition. So C equals to, I am performing the operator. This is a plus is a operator which is perform the operations between the two variables, like A is a one variable, B is another variable, or any values. So that so addition. I am doing addition. So 6 plus, sorry, I need to run this thing. 6 plus 8 equals to 14. Same like that, I am doing subtraction. Same, D equals to A minus B. I am performing D equals to A minus B. It shows this minus 2. Like this multiplication is known as a asterisk. I am performing the multiplication. 8, 6 8s are 48. And for this thing, I am considering the A equals to 5 and B equals to 2. B equals to 2. I am running this. Now the A and B values are A value is a 5, B value is a 2. And applying the division between these things, G equals to A divided by B. So remember that when we apply the division for the Python, we get a quotient answer as a output. When we apply the modulus for the operations, it will return a remainder. So modulus is denoted with percentage, like that C A divided by equals to 2.5 and the modulus of and performing the modulus of A modulus B equals to 1. This is the things. So this is the main thing. Please remember about the things. Like when you are applying for the division thing, when you are applying the division, you will return the quotient output. When you are applying the modulus, you will return the remainder. Okay, don't be confused here. So again, I am performing the exponential. Exponential is simply like power. So a power 5, like a equals to 5, b equals to exponential of this thing is a power b, like a power b, like 5 square equals to 25. So last one is float division, like removing the decimal points from the things. So I am passing like when you apply the division, like here you get 2 point. When you apply the float division, the 0.5 will be removed. See, we get an output as a 2. When you apply the division, we get an output as a 2.5. The 0.5 is removed by when you use this float division. So this is how that arithmetic operators are work. So we go for the next operators like the assignment operators. So in assignment operators, they have these types of assignment like assignment operator, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, remainder like or modulus assignment, or exponent assignment. Same as for the arithmetic, we have assigned the assignment operator like equal to. See how to calculate this. For example, assign a 10 8 for a 10, a equals to 10 and b equals to 5. These are the things. So now I am applying assignment of sum of a and b. So a addition of equals to b. That means this is a simple explanation. A equals to a plus b. Like that it will be stored. A equals to a plus b. A equals to a plus b. It will store like this. So that means a value is 10. 10 equals to 10 plus 5. The b value is 5. If we apply negative, it it will shows that 5. See, if you apply asterisk, it will shows this 10 5s are 50. Like that it works. Okay, this is the compare like assignment operators. This is the like assignment operators works like this. So next we go for the comparison operators. Simply comparator operators are used to compare the two variables or their values in the form of unwritten the boolean, like it shows the output as a boolean. For example, here there is a double equal to. So we have a doubt like here we use only the singular equal to for the assignment operator, and the double equal to is used like is really equal, like is equal to. So not exclamator symbol equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are the some of the comparative operators comes in the Python, and when we apply this operator, we get the output as a like true or false, like boolean result. So let's go on and explain. A equals to 50, I taken A equals to 50, B equals to 28. So first I am performing the equal. Is A equal to B? Is 50 equal to 28? Absolutely we know that it is a false. Right? The next comparator not equal to operator. So A not equal to B? Yeah, it's true. 50 is not equal to 28, it's true. So it shows the output. It shows the output as a true. After that, greater than or greater than. A is greater than B? Yes, true. A is greater than B. I know. 50 is greater than 28, right? Yeah, it shows the output as true. It shows the output as true. Next, less than operator. A is less than 28? False. So 50 is not less than 28, right? It shows the false. So again that greater than or equal to, A is greater than or equal to B? Yes, it's true. Greater than or equal to is true. Again, when we apply the less than or equals to, it shows the false. Like that, right? Yeah, it shows the false because 58 is not less than or equals to 28. So this is a working of things like how these comparison operators are worked. Okay, and the next operator is logical operators. So logical operators is like used to check whether an expression is true or false. So if the expression is true or false, the logicals are applied. So here we have three types of logical operator: and, or, not. Let me show you something in different way. So how this and or not works, right? Okay, like and operation is work if the both conditions are true. The and operation is true. Like or operators will work if the both condition, either one of the thing in a both condition, either one of the thing is false, like true, it shows that. So see, first one, and operation. So and operation, this is a condition 1 and condition 2, both need to be true, right? Both condition need to be true. At the time only the output is true. If either one of the condition is false, if any one of the condition is false, the output is also false, right? If any one of the condition is false, the output is also false. Okay, whereas the or condition, both conditions are there. If any one of the condition is true, the output is true. If any one of the condition is true, the output is also true. If the both condition is false, in case if the two condition is false, the output is also false. Like that, this or operation is false. Okay, and we have one more operator, right? That is not. Simply we can say it is opposite. When the data is true, when we apply the not of true, not of data, it shows the false. Opposite, the data is true, when the condition is true, it shows the false. When the condition is false, it shows the true. Like that, the not operation is works. So come to the practical. So example, print 5 is greater than 3. Yes, it's true. And 5 is less than 1. Is it 5 is less than 1? No, right? 5 is not less than 1. See, 5 is greater than 3 is true, whereas 5 is less than 1 is false. That's why it shows the false. Then apply this. 5 is greater than 3, true. 5 is less than 18, true. Yeah, you get an output as a true. This is an AND operation. This is a AND operation. Next, OR operation. So here the OR operation is 5 is greater than 9, true. True or false? Like tell me, 5 is greater than 9. Is it true? No, false, right? 5 is less than 4. Both are false. The conditions both are false. If I apply 5 is greater than 1 is true, 5 is less than 4 is false. So it will show the true, because I did know OR operation is works like a, if any one of the condition is true, the output is true. Right? If the both condition is false, the output also shows the false. We are coming to the OR operation. So in OR operator, we know that, so don't see this only focus on the condition and condition. X equals to 5. Here 5 is greater than 3, true. There is 5 is less than 10, true. But when you apply this, we know that when you apply the AND condition, it shows the true. For that AND condition, if you apply the NOT in front of this condition, it shows the false. See, it shows the false. So that means it is completely work anti. If the condition is true, we get an output as a true, but when we are applying the false, it shows the false. Like that is conditions are works. Okay, these are the logical operators. How this works like this. So next operator is identity operators. Simply whether the value is present or not. So like example, like whether the value is present or not, we can identify. So there is a two types of things. One is not. So if the condition, if the value is present, it shows that is true. If they not. If is not the values we are identified, the operators are not. Okay, let's check. I am taking the example x1 equals to 5, y1 equals to 53, x2 equals to hello, y2 equals to hello world. So I am checking the things. I am checking print f1 is not in y1. F1 is not in y1. It's true, right? F1 x1 and y1 is different. 5, 23, 53. So completely different, right? Yes. So let's show this output. Yes, true. See, x1 is not in y1. We don't have anything in 5 is not present in y1. So if I keep x1 equals to 1, 5, y1 equals to 5, it shows false. X1 is not in y1. Is present, right? X1, 5, y1, we have a y1 as a x1, x into 5. So that's why it shows it false. Okay. And the next statement is, so we are saying print x2 is not in y2. It's true. x2 is not in y2, right? x2 is different, y2 is different. It shows true. Like that, we are working the things like this identity operators or works. Okay. And the next one is membership operator. A membership operator is simply like is the sequence found in or not. Is the sequence, like example, in a class like we have an example, like in a class there is a 30 students, whether that student is present in or not. Like this student, like example, one student x is a student, he was in class or not. Like that we have this is a membership, like simply live, from the live example we see that Zomato, like Zomato has a membership opportunity like Prime and Netflix, any type of subscription. Whether the person, whether the user have Netflix, like Netflix subscription or not, we need to identify like that. So if the user have a Netflix, so he have in that membership. If not in. So let us check like for the things. Okay. X equals to I was the hello world. Y equals to 1, 2, 3. I am checking print x in a h, capital H in a x. X2 capital H is present in x, right? Yes. Check whether the number is hello is present. I return the small hello is not present in x. True. Here the small hello is not present, right? The capital hello is the present. So that's why it shows the true. If 1 in a y is 1 is present in a y, yeah, it's true. And a in a y is a in y, no, it's not, false, right? So like that, see, true, 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 false. Like that it will happen. If the person, like if the thing, if a character, if anything are present in that given data, it shows the true. If he is not present, it shows the false. Like that, it works. We need to mention in or not in. Whether the person, whether the character is present in or not in. And, based on this condition, the outputs will be created. Okay. And the final operator is bitwise operator. So how the bitwise, like we have a and or XOR not, zero shift, like left shift, right shift. These are the bitwise operators. So check whether the things. So first one, when you are applying the bitwise operator and operator, so consider 6 3. So before that, we need to know how the binary data works. Okay, for bitwise operator, we need to know about the binary. So binary 8 4 2 1. So this is a digits. I'm passing this. I take a single digit. 0. There is nothing. 0 0 0. So we don't consider the 0 things as a. So first digit 1 0 0 0 1. For 2 0 0 1 0. For 3 0 0 1 1. This is a binary code. Which are the things I writing here now? These are binary code. These are the binary code. For 4 0 1 0 0. For 5 I am writing 0 1 0 1. For 6 0 1 1 1 0. So then I am going to apply 6 and 3. 6 and 3. What is the binary code for the 6? We get what is the binary code? Yes, 0 1 1 0. This is the binary code of 3. What is the binary code of 3? 3, yes, 0 0 sorry 0 0 1 1. Apply the AND operation. What is the statement of AND operation? Both conditions are true, you get an output. Both conditions are false, you get an false. So here the 0 1, both conditions, one condition is true, one condition is false, right? We get 0. So we get it like output is 0, like false. Both conditions are true, we get true. Both conditions are false, we get false. Both conditions are true, false, we get false. What is the thing here? 0 0 1 1 0 is the element of 2. The output is 2. When we apply 6 and 3 as a bitwise, we get a 2. See, 6 and 3 when we apply 2. Like that, it will work for the OR operation. Same, if the both condition is either one of the condition is true, it shows the output 0 1. 1 is a true. Both conditions are true. One condition is false, true. So both condition is false only, it shows the 0. So if you count this, you get a 7. See, it's a 7. Like that. So it's a power X operation. So it's simply we can say that both, if both are 1 or both are 0 only, it works. Okay, for the both are 1, if both are zeros only, it works. So if 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So if it is operator, compare with each bit. If this it is set as 1, if only if it is a 1, otherwise it will be set to the 0. So like that, if the thing is presented, need to be present. Like example, let me show you. Here the example, like 6 equals to 0 1 1 0, where 3 equals to 0 0 1 1. This is when we apply the not operator, like not operator, not no, sorry, not for not XOR, sorry, XOR operator. When you apply the XOR operator, if the any condition is present 1, it shows 1. If any condition not present the same, it shows 0 1 0, like that. This is the thing of 4 5 6. 6 is all like 4 5 is a thing. The output when you apply this power, we get a 5. See, like that. So next, inverter operation, like simply it will invert the things. So for example, I am passing this 5. For a 5, it's its operator of working like a not. Okay, not operator. For not operator, 5 equals to 0 1 0 0. So it simply invert, minus, like it simply invert. Like 1 becomes 0, minus 0 become 1, 0 become 1 becomes 0 1. This is the things it works like. So total 10. For the huge amount of bits, it will be converted each and everything as like this, everything for the total, like if we have 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128 bit. So 512 and 1024 bit. So it will convert each and everything into the same line, invert. It will invert. So final two things are like we have like right shift, left shift. So left shift is simply you can add the two zeros at the end of the things. So it will shift like 9 2 shift 2. It is a two shifts. You need to add a 2. So what is the like simply you can say like 6. What is the 6? 0 1 1 0. I need to shift with two zeros, right? I need to add the left, right? That's it, right? I need to shift with two zeros, or I keep in. I need to shift with two zeros. That means 0 1 1 0 0 0. So you need to calculate this right now. How the value is like. Now you need to calculate. You need to add the two zeros at the end of the left shift, like that. So here I add three zeros. That's why it's showing this like this. So this is a completely empty. You need to remove these things. Two zeros at the end. So if the for same for this tick, I will take this thing 0 1 0 1. If I remove the zero things like 0 0 0 1, this is the output of this. And removing the two zeros from like I am adding the two zeros from the left side or removing the things from the left side. Like that it works. Okay. This is all about this. This is all about the yeah. This is all about your operators, which is present in the Python, like arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, membership operator, bitwise operator. So this is the things present in this Python operators. The next concept is presidency. Presidency is a simple like priority or importance of ethics. So when you are applying any presidency, we need to first consider as a parenthesis. Next only exponential, uni plus, uni minus, and bitwise not. After that multiplication, division, row division, or modulus, addition, subtraction. Many both the things comes to it here. So how this works? Let me show you in a one example here. How it works. For example, I have considered 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 minus 6 or into 3. Okay, we need to calculate this back. So the first most preference is for this. Okay, the first preference is this. So what is the thing? 3 plus 5, 6 plus 3 plus 5 minus 6 into 3. After that, what is the most important? Multiplication, right? See, the most important is next to you add on it like multiplication. Into multiply 6 plus 3 plus 5 minus 6 3 are 18. After that, we have a like comparison. After that, we need to give a must priority for the addition. Addition, right? 6 plus 9, 9 plus 15 equals to 14. 14 minus 8. Now we need to apply minus 4. This output is minus 4. Like that, we will proceed the things. First, we need to calculate the hypothesis. Next one, we go for the exponential, uni plus, uni minus. Next to multiplication, division, and there is a floor division, modulus, and finally, finance of things. This is the thing. Firstly, we need to prepare. There is a somewhat lot of things is present. This is the order how we need to give the priority for checking the things. So this is all about the things. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.